Are you a W-2 employee who also has a home-based business in the network marketing industry? Have you ever gave the perfect presentation? The client went through the whole presentation, enjoyed it, ready to join, but didn't have the money. Have you ever had clients that wanted to join your MLM but couldn't afford it? Are you paying too much in federal income taxes? Would you like to show your clients how to create the extra money in their paycheck to get an instant pay increase to purchase your product? If you answered yes to any of those questions, you're in the right place at the right time. Hi, I'm Sanna Garrett-Smith, and I've got an awesome free webinar titled The Hidden Dangers of Employees That Don't Have the Money to Invest in Your MLM. It's going to show you how to avoid the dangers of employees that don't have the money to invest in your MLM. So if you want to get an instant pay increase of $300 to $1,000 a month from your employer and build your downline without worrying about them having the money to invest and build their business, this is the webinar you need to be on. You're in the right place at the right time. Just fill out the form on this page and you'll get registered instantly. We only have a few limited seats that's available for this webinar, so get registered fast. And folks, this is not anything new. It's been out here for years, but here's the deal. The IRS want to keep most people ignorant, afraid, and scared. And when you learn the rules, you can play the game legally, morally, and ethically. So if you learn how to get an instant pay increase and create the money in your paycheck for the clients to be able to join your business, or you even get the extra money for yourself to invest in your business, now you're putting yourself in a position to build your business faster because now you have the capital. So join me. Put in your information, your name, email address, and join us for this webinar. Get the information. It's going to be powerful. You don't want to miss it because this is revolutionary. People know that they want to have other ways of doing things. They just don't have the right guidance. This webinar is going to show you how to do just that. The information we're going to share with you, it's going to be life-changing. I've been teaching these strategies for over 20 years, and I've helped people get a pay increase from their employer anywhere from $300 to $1,000 a month. We show them how to take that money, get out of debt, and start investing for their future. We show them how to build their downline, to create the capital for their downline to be able to build their business without having any financial issues. So get registered for the webinar. Fill out the form on this page and you'll get registered instantly. We only have a few limited seats that's available for this webinar, so get registered fast. And remember, the person that knows your money owns your money, and that person should be you.